Hey Georgetown, it's Harnoor. I am a junior in the SFS studying STIA here at Georgetown, and I also live in Nevils, which is one of the upperclassmen residence halls at Georgetown. And today I'll be taking you along with me for a tour of my Nevils. So right when you walk in, this is our living space. Pretty much all of the furniture is supplied by the room itself, except for kind of this chair right here and the ottomans. It's a really nice living space. We have as much decor up as we possibly could get. And we put in some throw pillows and throw blankets, which is really nice. We have this really nice windowsill space up here that we've decorated and put some decor on the walls. We also have a shoe rack and almost like a little dresser area where we put umbrellas and things like that. And it's super fun. We also got this rug just to, you know, liven up the space. I forgot to mention, but we do have 6 roommates living here, which honestly it's ample space for. This is our dining area attached to the living room, but essentially, and I have some birthday decorations up there, but it's really nice. It's again provided by the dorm. We did get our own mini fridge, which we have in the corner. It's one of my roommates, and the storage space as well as this coffee nook, which is really nice. The extra storage is honestly really nice, and there's a lot of space that you can do a lot of things with. So it's a really, really nice space for that. Now moving to our right, we have a coat closet and some miscellaneous stuff in there. And then you kind of enter officially our kitchen, which is also pretty spacious, I would say. Supplied with everything. We have an oven, a stove. We brought in a lot of our own appliances, but the storage space and the stove and everything obviously come with it. And then we do have a pretty large fridge and freezer as well. So we make pretty good use of this space. I did bring my own coffee machine, which I thought was necessary, but otherwise I would say, have a pretty good amount of space for all 6 of us. So now I'm gonna walk you guys up the stairs. It is really nice to have kind of a 2-story apartment. It kind of separates our living space from the rest of our kind of bedrooms. It is 2 or 3 doubles with 6 girls living here, and we share a bathroom with 2 showers and 2 sinks. So it's pretty manageable, I would say. So right when you come up the stairs, you'll see kind of an extra desk we didn't use and our mirror. And then you turn this way to enter our bathroom, which I'll just pan over. It is, like I said, 2 showers and 2 sinks, which is really nice and honestly pretty manageable for 6 girls. Once you walk out of the bathroom, you'll pass the other 2 rooms before you get to my bedroom, which mine and my roommate share. It's not too large and it is lofted, but we don't use the loft area. So both of our beds are down on the floor, but it's pretty nice and I'm excited to show that to you as well. As soon as you walk in, you kind of see the desk. Like I said, most of the furniture comes with the room. So this desk and this hutch are a really great addition. It kind of doubles as a vanity for me. So I use it for my makeup, my jewelry, as well as my books. And there's a lot of storage underneath as well for books. The chair comes with it too. I try my best to do my work here when I don't feel like making it to Lao, which is a library, and that happens quite often. So it's really nice to have a desk. Our bed is twin XL, and so there's a lot of underbed storage here, especially because I've raised it to the highest kind of level. So that's really nice and is really helpful if you have a small dorm, because you try to get as much storage, I think, as you can, honestly. And my roommate's done a really good job of decorating the windowsill area and kind of making it homey. This is her side and her desk. And then panning over to her bed, we have very different aesthetics, but she's also kind of mastered the underbed storage, raising the bed situation. And so the room is feels a lot more open than it could be. We don't have proper like wardrobe closets. Instead, we have kind of open style closets, and there's some storage on top as well as an area for like shoes or anything you want to put on the bottom, and they give you 2 racks. And honestly, it's sufficient, especially with the dresser. With that being said, that is the end of our dorm tour. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope for anyone who might be in Nevils next year or is worried about what a Nevils might look like, I hope this serves as a great frame of reference. Thanks so much for watching.